Right from long-pending social welfare initiatives to region-specific development and tourism projects, here's a comprehensive look at the key developments driving the momentum across the state. This is Maharashtra 360. Maharashtra's long-term economic roadmap took center stage at the CII Annual Business Summit 2026 in the national capital. Chief Minister Fadnavis outlined the state's vision of becoming the $1 trillion economy by 2030. Positioning Maharashtra as India's leading investment and manufacturing destination, the Chief Minister highlighted the state's aggressive push across infrastructure, logistics, clean energy, advanced manufacturing, data centers, and also technology-led industries. He said that Maharashtra is preparing itself for the next phase of the global economy through large-scale connectivity projects, policy reforms and faster clearances, while also focusing on sectors like electric mobility, semiconductors, defense manufacturing, fintech and AI-driven innovation. He also stressed that Maharashtra's urban transformation, multi-modal connectivity network and energy capacity expansion will play a critical role in attracting global capital and strengthening supply chains.
For decades, Maharashtra has been India's economic engine. But we are now preparing for something much bigger. We are preparing Maharashtra for the next era of global economy, an era where economic leadership will be decided by infrastructure, innovation, talent, energy, urbanization, technology, and institutional trust. The economies that combine all these strengths will lead the 21st century, and Maharashtra is constantly building this ecosystem.
A major investment and development push coming for Nasik. As Chief Minister Fadnavis addressed the closing ceremony of the Kumbh Udyog Sangam and the Nasik Investment Summit 2026, positioning Nasik as a future growth engine driven by industrial expansion, infrastructure upgrades and the upcoming Simhast Kumbh. Now, the Chief Minister, along with former President Ramnath Kovind, also hoisted the Dharm Dhwaj at the historic Kalaram Temple and also inspected multiple exhibition and industry stalls set up as part of the summit. Speaking at the event, the Chief Minister said that large-scale infrastructure and connectivity projects linked to the Kumbh are expected to transform Nasik into a major investment destination. The summit brought together industry stakeholders, investors and government agencies with a strong focus on aligning economic growth with the region's religious and cultural significance. A major modernization push for the postal infrastructure in Maharashtra as Chief Minister Fadnavis and Union Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia inaugurated the renovated Andheri railway station post office in Mumbai under the Jan Seva Connect initiative. Now, the upgraded facility has been developed as a future-ready technology-enabled service hub aimed at improving citizen access and delivery systems. Originally established in the 1930s, the post office has now been redesigned with modern infrastructure, digital integration and enhanced customer amenities such as part of India's post-broader transformation drive. A major connectivity and tourism infrastructure push in Satara district as Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde reviewed the under-construction Tapola Ahir Bridge in Mahabaleshwar Taluka. Built across the Koyna River basin in Javali Valley region, the cable-stayed bridge is now designed to connect remote villages surrounded by hilly terrain and water bodies. Now, the Tapola Ahir cable-stayed bridge is nearing completion with around 95% of the work that has already been finished, and the project is now expected to reduce the existing travel detour by nearly 45 kilometers. Maharashtra's push towards future-ready governance took center stage with the successful conclusion of the Tech Quarry 2.0 at the Mantralaya, spearheaded under the leadership of Chief Minister Fadnavis, with Deputy CM Sunetra Pawar also participating in this initiative that is focused on technology-driven governance and administrative transformation. Now, sessions covered emerging areas including AI, cybersecurity, digital governance, quantum computing, ethics and public leadership, while also integrating yoga, stress management, mindfulness and cultural programs to promote holistic administrative development. The broader learning movement that is linked to Tech Quarry saw around 9 lakh employees participate through the Mahasadhana initiative, and that recorded nearly 35 lakh learning hours on the iGot Karmyogi platform. The program that also showcased key reforms including Maharashtra's integrated Maha EHRMS. And those were all of the updates we could pack for you in this edition of Maharashtra 360. Until next week, take care.